So now we will be trying to hello everyone, hope all of you are having a very pleasant day. In this video we are about to see matplot pie chart, then matplot histogram and matplot box plot. So we will be seeing all these three charts or plots, and we will be seeing the example of like how to plot them, and we will be trying to understand what are these. So first of all, pie chart. Pie chart is a specific type of chart that uses pie slices to represent the relative slices of data. Okay, to represent the data percent or like the data relative slices of the data, we use these pie slices in the pie chart. Let us see how to write the code for it. So import matplotlib, lib.pyplot as plt. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and now you can mention task as, for example, let me mention something like 200, 700. Oh, sorry, not 700. It will be okay. 500. Okay, mention 800, something like that. Randomly I've given the values, and let me see my my labels. My labels equals to, let us write something labels as pending, okay, comma, then let us write this in process, then let me mention something as finished, pending, in process, and finished. Plot dot pie Now what is happening here is, like, I have written a code for this pie chart. Let us run and just see, and then we will try to understand the code, whether we are getting the output or not. Cool enough. So okay, let us try to understand this code. You can see we have got the output as pie chart. Import matplot, like we are trying to import the library. Then task we have assigned as something like we have given, like, created a list of numbers. Okay, now my labels, like I have created the labels also for, because each slices should have a label. So I've just mentioned some pending, in process, finished kind of labels. Then plot.py is basically, this statement is used to plot this pie chart. Then in that pie chart, like, we will be using this task, then labels will be there, and auto PCT, it means like this task will be represented in the percentages format. Autopacity, what this autopacity does is this takes the form of string, assigns numerical value to the to those tasks. This takes the form of string and assigns numerical value to those tasks, right? So this is what is the function of the autopacity, and like it will simply convert into this particular these task into this particular percentages. So percent, 1.1 f and double percent. This is how you have to denote autopacity. Okay. This is how you will denote the autopacity, and then you will write plot dot title. Plot dot title, like my task I have mentioned here. This is the title which is visible here. Plot dot axis, that is equal. Plot dot axis, that is equal, is being mentioned, and plot dot show. Plot dot show will display this pie chart. So plot dot show is used to display this particular pie chart. Okay. So this is how you can create a pie chart, or this is how you have to write the code for that. So let me remove this and just see what happens. Still it is giving you this, but what is the difference of writing this? You can just see the difference that the figure part, the figure here has gone slightly huge. Why it has gone slightly huge? Because this wedges or this task labels, they are spreading it properly. I mean, uh, using this plot dot axis equals, this task or this wedges are spreading properly. Now let us see the example of histogram. So first of all, understand what is histogram. Histogram is the visual representation of data that is organized into groups. Precise way of displaying the numerical data distribution graphically, and it's a bar graph with x-axis representing the uh, bin ranges, and y-axis representing frequency. So visual representation of data that is organized into groups, that is histogram. Okay. So let us see one of the example, like how to write the code for histogram and how the output looks like. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and math score is equals to, so So this is how histogram plot looks like. We have taken these values and plot.hist. Using these values, I'm just trying to plot the histogram. X label we want to mention as course, Y label we want to mention as students. Title we are writing as histogram, and plot dot show that we want to just display that this is the histogram. So simple, just take a value, use the plot dot hist method. Using that values, like you have to plot that histogram, then X label, Y label, title and show. That's it. Just the labelings you have to done of the X label, Y label axis, X axis and Y axis. Give a title and then show. Show is used to display the chart, and this is like very simple code. You have like you can write out for this, for plotting this histogram. Now let us consider how to plot box plot. So let us see what is, let us initially see what is box plot. Box plot provides the graphical summary of data set with features such as minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, maximum, like that. So it just provide the graphical summary of data set with the different features like median, first quartile, minimum, maximum, like that. Cool enough. And let us write a code for it. Let us try and just see how output we receive. What is the output we receive? Matplotlib dot pyplot as pplot plot, and then np dot random dot rand, and then we are generating some values. np dot random dot not rand, I will be using here seat, and I want to generate the values of 10. Okay, now data is equals to random dot normal 100 30 and 230. Fig is equals to plot dot figure fig size is equals to 8.5. क्यों भाई क्या हुआ इसमें? Wait, instead of using this, try to use it here and just try to run it now. It's giving me the error. Plot dot show np dot random seed पता नहीं इसमें एरर क्यों आ रहा है. We will see this example in the next video. Cool. I have to see that why we are getting this error. Actually we shouldn't, but I will see this example in the next video mostly. Yeah, if I found the part of this, then I will see the example in the next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.